Hello YouTube! How's it going, everybody? Today Aqua is finally done it. He's out of the house and here's the riverbed. I'm like 5-6 miles away from the house. I had to stop and take a break because it's been like a long time. I'm trying to catch my breath and I have like a nice backpack. So this is the riverbed. It's called San Gabriel River. It's long, man. It comes from all the way to the mountains. So that's where the fire is at. Everything right now, as you see, the air is very bad. I know I'm not supposed to be out here, especially exercising like this, but I had to get out of the house. It's been like annoying me so much. So I stopped on this street called South Street. If you can see it, South Street, there's a sign. Here's the off-ramp. If I take this street down here, over the bridge, the first slide I go, it's my LFS where I buy my Tanzanians. So first, I'm gonna keep going down the river far where there's a park called El Dorado. I'm gonna stop around there, look in the nature, take a couple more footage, and then turn maybe around, come back, and go to the LFS and stop, take a little quick footage there, and go back home, maybe upload a video for beautiful people that follows me on YouTube. Thank you very much, people. I really appreciate it. And if you guys are newcomers, please push that like button and subscribe. Also, I'm thinking to take some of the riverbed plants. If I have battery left over, I'll do a little quick footage. And of course, I'm gonna take them, put them in regular separate tubs, clean them up, you know, weeks after weeks to see what they're doing. So I'll keep you guys in touch. See you soon. Alright guys, back again. I had to take a quick stop after I seen this beautiful plant. So this plant here is in it's in Los Angeles. It's in a residential park. Actually, my in-laws live right across the street right there. Literally. Anyway, so oh man, there's a lot of mosquitoes in here too. Woo, yeah, mosquitoes. Let's gonna go. This is a beautiful plant that is very rare and it flowers once a year, I think. I see fruits on it or something. I gotta go check that plant out, see what's going on, what kind exactly. It looks like an exotic plant and not, oh yeah, mosquitoes. Mosquitoes loving me here, guys, so let's get going. Alrighty, I'm gonna take a little footage on the boat and stop. Make sure you know what is coming. So yeah, that's the beautiful plant. It's a nice park. Sorry for the shake up, guys. I'm on the bike and the camera's in my hand. Hello in-laws, I know you live right there. By the way, that looks like kind of the same type of plant, but the leaves were smaller. That one right there, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm not gonna stop, I'm just gonna keep going. Oh yeah, mosquitoes eating me here. I can't stop. I got a mask on too. Oh yeah. Let's get going. Let's get going. Don't you stop. These beautiful grass looking plants coming out of those areas. I'm thinking to like dig one out. Sorry, I know the wind is harsh. I know it's gonna be in the video too. So here, look, these plants here on the bottom looks like grass. They look pretty nice, and it's growing by the on the water, like right by the water. Anyway, that park is done, and it's the big park. I can see the trees over there. Where the big park is, and here's my electricity company right here. Looks like one of them. Electricity. Yeah, look guys, a bunch of vegetation growing down there. I gotta have to take some samples one day and see what they are and what kind of plants. Could be some aquatic plants, people washed it down the drain. Oh, could be some crazy nice specimens that is growing my kind of waters, you know. Alright, let's keep going. I'm gonna stop the video I'll get it rolling when I get somewhere nice. Later. Ura Delamo. Delamo. Ne yapıyor burada ya? Ooh. Yeah, that was awesome, guys. There's the dog park. Woo-hoo! Puppies! Dogs! This riverbed's awesome. And it tells you how long until the beach. If you take this all the way down, you'll hit the beach. There's some Rottweilers, German Shepherds, Aikitas. What else we have there? I see Bull Mastiff. Man, big dogs. I can't handle big dogs. Oh, there's a little, what is that? Miniature pincher. Laters. There we go. Park's coming up. That's El Dorado. So I'm back again. So I stopped really quick to show you guys. This is San Gabriel River Trail. And it shows where it starts. And it shows, says you are right here all the way to the beach. So 10 miles to the beach. No, the whole rivers, I mean the whole thing, maybe, I don't know how many miles it is. So I have never ridden this before. So National Trail, Flood Control Channel. Here's the local rules you gotta follow. No firearms, no throwing, no alcohol, no motorcycle vehicles, smoking, dogs are allowed, no fireworks, no loud radios. Down there it's like that, beautiful by the beach. And sometimes you see sea turtles, I've seen them before. Yeah. Alright, let's get going. This is a post right here. And still beautiful, guys. Check it out. And there's a nice bridge right there. Look at that bridge. Want to take a nice photo on the bridge? There's a walkway or a bikeway. It's like a little bridge, no water. So horses can go underneath, people can go walking over, and a bunch of power lines everywhere, which I don't like. If only Tesla was alive, it would have said shame on you. See you soon. So guys, we're still on this trail. We stopped at the fish store, but so busy I couldn't do no video. So we got some horses here. Beautiful horses. I'm returning home right now. I didn't grab nothing so far. I didn't see nothing interesting other than this nice trail, horses. You guys can tell what this is, right? A horse farm, horse farm, horse farm. Not a horse farm, dummy. There's people here bring their horses. They train the horses and they clean them. And like the vet checks on his ponies before riding it. They're just doing their thing.